Hi, Angela. I'm Brian Wright from Brook Yanko Corporation, and this is the video for the Motic SMZ-171 stereo zoom microscope that we discussed. This is a stereo zoom microscope with a true trinocular head, so that when the image is displayed on the monitor, you also have the image in both eyepieces. We're showing it on this little tablet display. On your system, we didn't include the tablet display, so we're just assuming you're going to have an external HDMI monitor next to the microscope. The stereo zoom microscope is set so that at the lowest magnification starts at 7.5x through the eyepieces. And from 7.5x, then you go to 10x, to 20x, to 30x. We can refocus at any time, to 40x, and to 50x at the highest magnification. There's also auxiliary objectives that are available for this, so at any point if you did need to go to 100x magnification in the eyepieces, we could add a 2x lens on, or if you needed a larger field of view, we could use a 0.3 or a 0.5 or a 0.7. As we've configured the system, at low magnification, you can see we have a little more than 10 millimeters of field of view. So these are 0.5 millimeter increments. And so 70 to 80 is 10 millimeters, and you can see 11, 12, 13, almost a 14 millimeter field of view at the lowest magnification. The SMZ-171 microscope also comes with a 5-year mechanical warranty, and we've included on your quotation this ball bearing boom stand. So for ease of use, you can see how easily that slides to accommodate whatever sample you need to fit underneath the microscope. If you have any questions, please give us a call back. Our 800 number is 1-800-388-7566. Thanks so much. Have a great day.